Hello everyone, I hope you all are well. Today in this video I'm going to show you how can you change your DreamHost domain to a third-party hosting server. So that's why we have to change our name server on that. So what are we going to do? You can see this is the DreamHost official website and I have purchased a domain from here. But I have purchased the hosting from another platform, which is my local web hosting. So now we will change our name server. So what I have to do, manage my websites, click on it. Now you can see a domain here. You can see this is my domain. So we have to click on manage here. Now you can see the DNS option over there. Just click on it. And you can see the name servers. Here is my custom name server I have changed. So I will show you where I get it. So you can see this is my local BD web hosting. So here you can see the hosting information. They have provided the name server. You can also getting the name servers on the different web hosting provider. You can see the Namecheap also have provided this name server for third-party domain provider. So what are you gonna do? We will get our name server 1, name server 2 here. So we have to do the change here, and you can put the you can select the I will use own name server, and you can select the copy here, the Namecheap server or my hosting provider name server here, and just put it here and click on save. Within 24 to 48 hours it will work correctly. So here you can see my website is hosted here. You can see this domain here. So I hope this video will help you. If this video works, then do like, comment, and subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends and family. Thank you so much.